Welcome back to the motor from the air conditioning unit. I dumped what I could out of it. I know there's gonna be more in there. Just for that alone, it's 19.36 pounds. Pounds and ounces together, 19.71 ounces a pound, 8.78 kilograms. And if you wonder why that got a plug-in on it, because it's running off my cord. So the battery's dead in it. So it's 19.36 pounds. If I didn't dump all that fluid out of it, it would probably be close to 19.5 pounds. And that quite a bit down in there. At least choke it all to one side. You'll see it running from up here to the top, about where my thumb is going down. You're looking probably if that weighs 19 something, you're looking probably almost 1940, 1945 pounds with this fluid in it. I can dump it back in there, but why do that? I have to dump it back out again. So yeah, you're looking close to 1940 to 1940 pounds. So yeah, if it's 1936 pounds, you're looking close to 1940 to 1945 pounds. And that's counting whatever's still left in this little motor. If I take this motor off, it'll be lighter weight. Be 1876 or 1867, pounds. With this motor and whatever liquid still there, 1936. So yeah, that's that. With the wire, if I took the wire off, it would be probably 1925 to 1930 pounds with that wire and that trash that comes with it. And the rubber is probably another half a pound. So yeah, if I take all that off, I'm looking close to 1875 to 19 pounds of steel without the rubber and the wire and that trash insulation paper. But other than that, if I had this delivered to me and I was buying it as is like it is right now with fluid in it, close to 20 pounds, I would probably pay 40 to 45 cents a pound, because my scrap yard don't pay no more than 45 to 50 cents a pound. So I gotta make a little bit of money myself as well. But again, I will look up this motor, see how much it weighs, in my scrap yard area, and I will call them to see how much they buy them for when they pay you for it, and do some math. Then I would buy them too if people would ask me if I want to buy them. If I do, that's probably what I would pay, anywhere from 40 to 50 cents a pound. But I don't buy them. I just rather get them whole as one whole unit. Just like that refrigerator, I'd rather get it one whole unit and pay one price for it, and then I break it all down myself. Same way with microwaves. Same way with old coffee makers. Same way with old radio stereo, old oven stove. You name it, I break it all down, get all the copper and stuff out myself, and I know how much it's worth. Even though floor fans, I would do the same thing with that. That another white thing there you see is one microwave one. Another one right here by the battery jumping table, which is shot. I'm planning on doing that in another project, another video. There's another white thing right there. There's the brother of that one. Another old microwave. This one here. There's another wide microwave. Tall, standing up, sideways, but it's really wide. And this is the door hinge on the front. This is the back side. So I just use them as a table for put stuff on. So that's my story on them. I do have another microwave over there, which is right there at the tip of my finger. I'll walk over there and show you. The old radios don't work. Tape deck player. CD player, it don't work. I gotta break it all down. But anyway, that microwave I was talking about is right here. It's just getting there in my way as well. One of these days I will get it all broke down. But that's my another project. I'm just focusing on getting this cleaned up, getting that done. After I get that done, and all my copper out of there, and off of this, I would work on getting this apart. This is part of the air conditioning unit, and that's pretty heavy right there with that motor unit and cords with it. So I'll catch you on the next one. Once I get this all taken apart, tore down. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and you get more of my videos next time I post. Thanks for watching.